everyone, it's Adam here. Need to adjust the balance there. There we go. So this is the side panel for the 701 LR. It fits, there. This is nice, but I wanted some carbon fiber bits, and one of the retailers I was working with had a a customer returned Husqvarna OEM carbon fiber cover for here. And they asked me, do you want it for like 40% off? I said, of course I do. I get to make a video about this. So you'll notice this fairing is all kind of attached as one piece. You turn it around, you have a clip right there, which has like a T20 or T25 going through it, and then two little hangers here. So super easy because the rest of the hardware is still on the bike. So it looks like it's just one bolt, and we can swap this out. Let's get started. All right, so yeah, you do need to put these little booties in there. It keeps this from moving around. It kind of keeps it solid. And then, yeah, we're just going to thread this in with the T27. And there you go. So now you have on the LR fairing this nice bit of black carbon fiber. And you can't see it because the ABBA stand is in the way, but yeah, that looks really good. I'm okay with that. Fitment's perfect. Obviously, it's a KTM Powerpart. Make sure this is tightened down pretty well. These clips can hold a pretty good amount of torque. I mean, 25, 30 Newton meters. And there's the rear there. You've got this. It's all nice and perfect. I mean, don't bend on it because this is actually going to terminate into the clips that are on the exhaust headers. And yeah, that looks great, doesn't it? I like that. Yeah, pretty cool. I wish I could put it on the bike right now, but I can't. But I think you guys can figure it out. Sweet. Hope you enjoy your new product. Rock on. Ride safe.